Hey guys, how are you? It's Lynn, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to give you guys a tutorial on how to put on the magnetic lashes with the magnetic eyeliner. So these are the lashes. These are, this style is called 9 to 5. I love these. I wear them every day because they're kind of an everyday lash. They're not overly dramatic, something that I would wear maybe more for evening or a special event. These are fabulous for every day. This is actually my own pair that I'm going to show you how to put on. I already put on one coat of liner just to save time. So what I'm going to do now is put on a second coat. This liner is just like putting on regular eyeliner. So if you wear eyeliner, same thing, except this liner you must wear with the magnetic lashes because the lashes adhere to this. This has minuscule magnets in it so that the lashes will stick to your liner. So there's no messy glue all over the place. I don't know about you. I was never a big lash wearer, but as you can see, I have no lashes. So now I'm forced to wear lashes, and I was thinking about doing going to a lash salon and having them done, but I heard, some horror stories about, if whatever few lashes you may have, they're gone after that, and it's an expense and very expensive. And I just figured, you know what? No, I'm not going to do it. So I found these amazing lashes, and I tried them and I fell in love with them, and so here we are. So what I'm gonna do is put the second coat of liner on my eyes right now. And you wanna make sure that you get in the corners because you really want your lashes to stick. And here's the other side. And if you find that your lashes are not sticking, it's probably because you didn't put enough liner on, especially in the key places, which are the corners. That's where they really need to, you need to make sure it's nice and even. So, okay, so now my second layer, my second coat of liner is on. So now we have to wait 2 minutes for that to dry completely. Why? Because the magnetic lashes will not stick to wet liner. It has to be completely dry. So 2 minutes, it flies by, no big deal. So let me show you what these lashes have that is so amazing. So first of all, when you open it up, it has this, here, I'll hold it up. See that little red tab? That gets the lashes out nice and easy. Voila. And then we're going to, and there they are, gorgeous, right? So you can either use your fingers to do this, or we have a plastic tweezer. You don't want to use magnetic so much because you're dealing with magnets. So you can use a plastic tweezer or your fingers. I kind of use both, but right now I'm going to use the tweezer because I want to show you something very, very important. Here, I'm going to put my hand up so you can see. These lashes have 6 magnets on them. And it's a stretch to find 6 magnets on any lashes. This is more than any I have worked with or seen. Amazing, amazing. 6 magnets. So these babies aren't going anywhere. I will tell you that I wear these every day, and I know we're under quarantine, I'm in the house, I put them on every day because I want to look nice. So I do wear them. They go on in the morning and they don't come off until I'm ready to go to bed and wash my face. So they last all day. It's amazing. So anyway, you have 6 magnets, and when you put them on, all you're going to do is you're going to start at the inner part of your eye. And now, you know, these are shaped as, there you go. You see there's a shape to them. Now, if it doesn't, you know, kind of fit your eye perfectly, you can move them around. They're really amazing. And these lashes last for about 30 wears, give or take, more, maybe a couple less, but I could tell you it's a good 30 wears. That is amazing. The quality of these, unbelievable. So, and you don't necessarily need to put any mascara underneath. The whole goal is to make this process simple. And I mean, unless you have very, very light lashes and you don't want to see that difference, you can always do a coat of black, but it's really not necessary. So I'm just gonna check my liner to see if it's dry. And it is dry, yay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'll try to do it into the camera. I don't know if I can. I don't think I can. Here, I'll hold this up. I am going to, and it's amazing because these magnets just like stick right to it. Boom, done. Do you believe that? How quick and easy was that? Okay, other eye. Let's go. I'm not a lefty, so I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see it. Start at the inner, right there. You almost feel it kind of click to it. It's amazing. And there you go. Done. My eyes look so much bigger. It's absolutely amazing. Amazing. And that's it. And it's that simple. Eyeliner, put them on. They'll last all day and you'll get a good 30 wears out of them. Amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions at all, just drop me a note, or you can always private message me and I will get back to you. But these are fabulous. If you want to check out the different lashes, we right now are a little behind because we sold out. I could not even believe this. We sold out of the lashes. So now we're just getting them back in and we should have everything. You can buy a bundle, which is the lashes and the liner together. They're not, other than Nature Bunny, I think they're not there yet. So within the week, we're gonna have them. Just go to lashloveunlimited.com, www.lashloveunlimited.com, and you can see all of the amazing beauty products that Tori Bell has to offer, and you will fall in love. So that's my video for you today. Have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.